How to download Play Store on LG Smart TV. I'm going to tell you how to download the Play Store on your LG Smart Television. But here's the truth. You actually can't install Google Play Store directly. LG TVs don't run on Android. They run on WebOS, which uses its own LG Content Store instead. That means if you're trying to download apps like you would on Android phone or tablet, you won't find the Play Store here. Instead, what you do is press the home button on your remote, then go to the LG Content Store. From there, you can browse and install any official apps that are supported on LG smart televisions. Now, if you really want access to the Play Store, the only way around is to use an external streaming devices like Google Chromecast with Google TV, Amazon Fire Stick, or an Android TV box, plug into your TV's HDMI port, and give you full access to the Google Play Store and all Android apps. This way, you're not limited to just the LG Content Store. So the bottom line is, you can't download the Play Store directly on your LG smart television, but you can either use the built-in LG Content Store for apps or connect a Chromecast or Android TV box if you want the real Play Store experience.